Morning. So this little female, I don't know what it is. She's upset. But she flew into the window. She's got a very long tail. She broke her beak and it started to bleed. So I put a little Wonder Dust on it, which is like a quick stop. She's okay there. Boy, she was flopping around. I really thought she was going to die. I think, Molly, maybe you could identify her for me? I know it's kind of in the dark. Her beak looks like, that's a ball of Wonder Dust that you see at the end of it. She's got little red rings around her eyes and that really long tail. Let's see, how else can I? The light is over there, so we'll do it like this. She's a little wheezy. Can you see her? Do it like this. Oh, here we go. She's got little white tips. And now I'm going to let her go. Okay? Let's see how she does. And she's just... She flew away! She's good.